Hello everyone, I'm happy to be here and I will show you how Smilecloud helped me with the coDiagnostiX planning. I will share my screen and you can see here the design is good, but the crown length, they are slightly shorter than they should be because we have the bone loss, because we have the gum recession, and what we need to do. For aesthetic, for understanding, that's okay. But for the mock-up, for the future planning, for the prosthetic design, we need to increase the length of the teeth, and we also need to think more widely. We need to think about that our design should be a little bit wider, because when we mill this prosthetic, it shouldn't broke. We need to have enough space. We need to have enough volume, and we need to have the screw channel where will be the abutment where space for them. We also can check in Smilecloud the bite position, super contacts, change little bit the position of the teeth, and that's what I'm doing here. And you can see this design as I did before. You see the speed up version of this. So I check the canine design also, check the size, making the final editing, and almost ready to review. To add volume here also. And I think it is almost done. Yes, it looks quite good. And we are ready to export. Let's see. Good. Now we are ready for export this case. So when my design has been done, I'm going to export. And in the export, I can see designed files. I need to turn on all of them because I just have the upper teeth, and I can export them as a combined file or separate file. Separate, not necessary for this case, because if I will do this as a separate, I need to upload one by one, but there is no sense to do this. Of course, I will export as a combined file. And also, what I can do, I can export as a regional file, maybe upper jaw, maybe just upper bone segmentation, or upper gingiva. And if you don't have any reference to align them, I would recommend you to export first, maybe upper gingiva, and yes, upper gingiva, I think that's fine as a separate file, or maybe with the bone as well. You can download them, and then you can export also the design. So in this case, I actually need only design. I click on download. I need to save it somewhere. Okay, let's save it in this folder. And let's go to the folder and unzip it. Now we have this name. This is our designed files. We can check the files. Yes, this is design. And we need to switch to coDiagnostiX. This is our case in coDiagnostiX. The same patient, you see his mouth, his teeth, you can recognize them. But now I need to place the implant. And how I actually can plan the implant if I don't have any reference. So for this, I'm going to step number 4 here. This step is called Add Model Scan. I click on Load Model Scan. And here I need to find the folder. You see that this is the folder where I saved it, and select this blueprint, this design. And I need to click Copy Alignment, because I don't need to align it manually. I don't have any reference to align it because this is fully new design and I don't have in this original scan reference. But this design has been designed with the original upper jaw, and the jaw scan is the same. That's why I'm going to click Copy Alignment. This is our upper arch. We select it, click on Next. And now this design exactly in the same position as we did it in Smilecloud. Let's see. Yes, this is designed exactly there. And I'm going to click Finish. And after this, I'm ready to place my implants. So I can make tooth extraction, and I can go to the implant placement and place the implant in this case. And now I know where is the screw channel, and I can finalize this design with the future planning and also with the prosthetic cage, with all of the steps. And this is how it works. Thank you.